Want to give your WordPress website a fresh new look without any coding or confusion? Today I'm guiding you step by step through changing your website's theme in WordPress, the fast, easy, and totally beginner-friendly way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to switch up your site's appearance, but you'll also be able to do it confidently anytime you want to update your style, impress your visitors, or just keep things interesting. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up WordPress. You'll want to make sure you're on your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Just log in, and if you see the left-hand menu with all your site options, you're in the right place. Already you're set up for success. Now look over at that menu on the left, spot the section called Appearance. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your hub for customizing the way your site looks and feels, sort of like the wardrobe for your website. Clicking Appearance reveals a few more options, and right near the top you'll see Themes. Think of these as complete outfits for your website, each with their own colors, layouts, and vibes. Click on Themes. Now you'll see a page that shows the themes you currently have installed, and up at the top there's a button to Add New. That's where you'll find lots of fresh designs to choose from. Before you get overwhelmed by all the possibilities, and there are a lot, I'll show you a handy trick to narrow things down, especially important if you're on WordPress's free plan. Next to the search bar at the top, there's a little drop-down that lets you choose different categories. Look for the one that says Free. This step is super important. By selecting Free, you'll only see themes that won't cost you anything extra. You'd be surprised at how many great designs are available completely free of charge. This saves you from accidentally clicking on a premium design that asks you for payment later on. Just a simple filter, but it spares a lot of frustration. Take your time here, scroll through the free themes, and each one has a live preview option. You can use that little preview button to see exactly how your site would look before you commit. Imagine it as trying on new clothes before making your final pick. If you see a theme that just feels right and matches your vision, you're ready for the last step. Hover over the theme you want and hit Activate. And just like that, your website is now wearing its new outfit. Refresh your site and you'll see everything based on the style you've chosen. Remember, changing the theme doesn't delete any of your actual content like posts or pages. It just changes the way everything is styled and presented. Sometimes the site might take a moment to fully update, so don't worry if you need to clear your browser cache or give it a few refreshes. Also, if you decide you liked your last look better, you can always switch back in just a few clicks. And that's all there is to it. You've just changed your WordPress website theme quickly and easily using only free tools. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions or want to share which theme you picked? Drop a comment below and I'll be sure to check it out. And if you don't want to miss more practical website tips like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.